May kalaban? Oh no. But the fire sale. Where?
Skill chip ready for upgrade.
Ouch. Thermos pag na-dehydrate si Coley. Oh, yes. Huwag mo may virus yung... You guys are funny.
Aircraft delivered.
Uy! No. Ang dami!
The airdrop is coming.
What should I do first? Wait. Okay. I don't have anything. Where? Oh no. You're there.
Enemy is near. Never mind.
Oh, it's there.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Hirap naman. Alam mo, sa likod puti. Wala, wait. Kawai. Kawai.
Big node is collapsing.
Ang dami. Ang dami. Ang dami. Hindi ko alam kung anong gagawin ko. Ang dami nila. I panic. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, I panicked. Nauna yung bibig ko kaysa yung kamay. Sorry. My bad. Go guys! Kaya nyo yan. Naniwala ko sa inyo. Nauna yung sigaw kaysa yung galaw. Ano ba yan? Arigato! Mga friends ko. The other one is my senior high friend and then friend ng friend. Friend ng friend ko yung isa. Friend of a friend. Bugs. Yes. Matagal ko na sila nakakalaro sa ano pa lang. Siyempre, nung school days and nung nasa Thailand ako. Friend of... No. Diba? May friend ako. Friend niya. Hindi siya friend ng friend ng friend. Friend lang ng friend ko. Dalawang friend lang. Friend of the friend. Yeah, friend ng friend. Yes. Friend ng friend ko na naging friend ko din. O, diba? Oo na lang. Hello, sawadi ka. Friend mo na friend niya. Yes. Friend ko na friend. Friend niya. Siya na naging friend. Sila muna naging mag-friends. Tapos naging friend ko yung isa, tapos naging friend ko rin yung isang friend. Is the game fun? Yes, it's fun. You should try. Oh, I'm not sure if it's available in Thailand. No. Yeah, it's available in Thailand. Eh? So. Eh? Call of Duty. Pwede ako doon. Akala ko talaga narinig nila yun. Ayun, doon pa rin. Hala! Mali. I will run away. They all left me. What am I gonna do, guys? I will run away. Dami, guys! Dami tao dun. Oh my god. Okay, I will just go around then this circle. Try. You don't see me. You don't see me. Saan pupunta? Wala akong loot. Okay, let's just run away from them. Mali yung baril ko. Wala, may nagsusnowboard. Wala, may bumabaril sa akin! Eight though. Oh, okay. Hirap naman. Isa pa. Kulang kasi kami. May isa pa. May isa pa eh. May isa pa dapat. Kaso busy. Who's that? Oh, okay. Pag di single digit, dapat may punishment. Grabe naman. Cause I'm falling in love. Let's go! Let's go, little boy. Little boy. Grabe naman. Good night. Huwag naman, nag-enjoy lang tayo dito, guys. Huwag naman ganon, guys. Dami-dami ko na mga utang sa inyo eh. Ubusin ko muna yung mga utang sa inyo and then pwede na. Wala na ako water. Diba? Ang bilis ng oras. Mag-11 na. Matutulog na ako. bagay na ang bilis mo lang. Oo nga, I don't get it either. I'm sorry. Look, this is my baby. Tita. It's Rosie.
Welcome, Battle Royale.
You're mine, girl.
The match about to start.
I can't make up my mind.
Ready.
Bias ko nung una, my bias was Jenny. No, I'm playing with friends. And then my bias was Jenny, and then eventually nung nag-release na ng solo song si Rose, I realized I liked her. Pink phone, yes. Thank you, Agent, for the heart me. Ano ba yan? Yan na naman sila. Sa bungad na naman sila bumaba. Ay, nako. Pag ako na naman natira dito, guys, sinasabi ko sa inyo talaga.
First blood.
What? Already? Kaya pa? Excuse me. Dami loot dito, in fairness. Is that supposed to be me? Oh no.
Your teammate has
Oh
been
no,
killed.
bestie.
Get the dog tags and have them return
What
to the
happened,
battle.
bestie? Where? Ang galing na na.
Battle.
Hiding siya, hiding. I'm done hiding, now I'm shining like a butterfly. We're great, thank you. And highway came so far now. Ang galing, ang likot. Oh, I believe we're going up. Oh no! Boop, boop, it's our moment. You're the girl we're growing. Gotta be golden. Voices, there's a moment. Gotta be golden.
Scan successful.
Oh, I'm done hiding. Ang dami, best friend.
Safe zone is collapsing.
I'll be shining like a butterfly. Oh, I went down feels so vibrant. Are you dead? I can't help you, girly. Sabi ko pa naman, ang dami yun. Ano to? What is this? I picked up the wrong gun. No! No! No!
Return to the battle.
Why do I have a sniper? Ano?
Get the dog tags.
Katabi pa naman.
Don't give up.
Guys.
Airdrop incoming.
O bago ng video ng Overture talaga? Yes, rat-rat ako. Rat-rat user ako. I'm not a one shotgun or sniper type girl. No. Hirap.
Your teammate is killed.
17 though. Lucky number. Yes, I usually use machine gun, but I picked up the wrong gun. Sorry, guys. Sorry. My bad. Tataas naman kasi ng mga level nyo, no? Legendary. Ay, kuya. Yes, machine gun is my favorite. Mga long-range machine gun. Nande. Ano? Ang tawag doon? No, not M4. Holger. Holger. Scary. I've been waiting for this time all year, all year. Feel like all the world is so ready to love. Perfect Christmas. Don't wanna let go. Look out the window, it's amazing. Cute noise you say, I know you on the sun. Loadout reveal. I don't fix this. Game na ba? Yes. I'm not rich. Thank you, Aiden, for the heart. It's okay. Guys, I think this is gonna be my last game, maybe. Ay, hindi pa. Ano sa nag-start? What time mo nag-start? 8 what? 8:34? Eh, 8:20? 8:34? 8:34. So, we already have dapat 11:30. So, kaya guys, naantok na ako. Coincidence.
Reloading. Cover me.
Hindi naman masyado. So, 8:20, tapos nag-set up pa. Kaya, tapos binan pa ako ni TikTok.
Time for the mission. Get ready.
Lala. Binan ako ni TikTok. Tatlo na naman kami. Let's go, guys. Let's go. My God, don't know it's it. Nakalimutan ko na yung Moonlight version. Thank you, Johan, for the love you so much and for the roses. Thank you po. Can I give my life to love? Perfect crystal. No one let go. Wala akong loot. What is this maze? Hala! May person na bumabaril. Guys. Guys, wala pa ako. Guys. I'm in a gun game without a gun. Okay. Where? Kasi saan? Ow! What? Ang dami na naman. Ito na yun.
The safe zone is collapsing.
Okay, never mind. Bye.
The airdrop is
Airdrop is
coming.
coming.
Tao yun. Wow, tapang. Saan?
Heads up, soldier. Time for a fire sale.
Tingnan natin. Air.
The airdrop is coming. Airdrop is been delivered. Airdrop is been delivered.
Flowers. Where? Why can't I? In the mountain. What? Should we go now? Thank you.
The airdrop is
Airdrop is
coming.
coming.
Where? What? I'm dying. Galing naman nun.
Airdrop has been delivered.
I'm gonna oof.
Get some rest, soldier.
Di, kalaban yun. Ano kalaban? Thank you, Johan, for the roses.
Airdrop has been delivered.
Alam mo yung bagong kanta ng Cat's Eye? I'm getting out of here. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Eat zucchini. Can you really? Like the emoji? I want you, I want you, I want you. Ano kung ganun yung next song ng Quadlips? Thoughts?
The airdrop is coming. Airdrop has been delivered. Airdrop has been delivered. Airdrop has been delivered. Airdrop has been delivered. The safe zone is collapsing.
Oh. Why did we leave? Oh, that's why.
The airdrop is coming.
Ano, hindi ko gets what's happening. Ano yan? Hey, stop that. Whatever that is. Stop. What? Oh, sorry. Nasaan? Nasaan yung... Okay.
The airdrop is coming. Airdrop is delivered.
Need 200k, but 100k na, yes. Yes. Ay, dito pala yung mic. Ano ba yan? Sa akin is Infinix Hot 60 Pro na silver. Wait lang, Lemona, can we swap? Lemona, I want your phone. Hello. Where? May tao dun, oh.
Enemy is near.
Tao sa likod.
The safe zone is collapsed. Airdrop.
Ouch.
Airdrop is
Ouch.
coming.
Rude. Where?
Airdrop has been delivered.
Dito sa Lobata.
Enemy is near.
Dito? Over there. Should be out. Hirap naman. Taas. Nasa taas. Umakyat siya. Yeah, I'm sad space for gaming soft mid scrolling. Yes, I agree. I will also buy Coral Tides. First time ako mag non. No, y'all will have Coral Tides and I'm stuck with silver. No, no.
Your teammate has scanned your dog tag. Wait for the revive flight.
In Phoenix. Stop tayo bago pa sa akin. Sa akin hindi na bago. Wag na. Ayan. I'm shy. Nasa ano. Hindi po. Hindi ako magaling guys. Nakabalik pa ako. May tao!
Buy station is currently unavailable.
Bruh. Bro! I just got here! What do you mean? Let me go! Let me live in peace! Please! No! I just got here!
Airdrop incoming. Airdrop has been delivered.
Panalo mo yan. Ang dami. Wow.
The safe zone is collapsed.
Nakay second hand ito. Nabalilan prices na sila. Hindi tayo shit. Wag na. May gas-gas na siya dahil sa susi and everything. It's okay. At least yung Coral Tides dream phone. Diba?
Yo, ready for upgrade.
How is it so far, Lemona? Bar na next game. Oh, this is my last game though. Di ba pwede tanggalin yung back case na lang? I don't know if that's possible. Wow, nanalo pa. Oh no! Oh no. Sa squad na lang ba yan? Hindi, ang dami pa. Oh, ang dami! Scary.
Down, last five teams.
Sorry na na-cancel sa Infinix while watching your live. Oh, yes, I agree. Blue! Likod nila pa yan! Okay.
The safe zone is
Oh, nice.
Getting close to victory.
Number 3. Nice one though. Okay. GG's guys. I'm gonna end. Okay. I'm gonna end the live na guys. Yes. Hindi na kaya mag-sticker. Call CP na. Baka hindi ako magising mamayang call time. Ate. Congrats. Wait lang. Abangan natin yung sub ni Moshblade. Maga call time, yes. Maga call time bukas. Only needs to rest. Saan may kita kung nag-subscribe? Thank you. Oh no. Okay. Ingat, ingat kung nasaan ka man. Namakpang live. Excited na kami ka. Ako hindi. Ako hindi. Sige, kaya yan. 200k. Tapusin natin. 200k. Tap hearts. Tap hearts. Congrats sa stub. Hindi ko nakita. Ayun. Wala nga lumabas. Bakit ganun? Usually meron. Yung screen record ako niyan ka. No. Don't do this to me. Okay. Sige. Tap hearts, guys. Hanggang sa pag 200k and then I'll end the live na. Wala na. Super fun na ata. Ay, ganun. Nag-update si TikTok. Yeah. Nagbago na talaga siya. Bawal na rin sabihin kung si Gram and yung isa pa. Oh, yes. Guys, keep streaming Love Letter. Para makapag-upload na ako ng pictures, guys. Hindi ko na sabihin kung ilan na or ilan pa dapat. Kasi alam nyo na yan. Hindi ko pwede sabihin kasi magagalit na naman si TikTok. Ibaban niya na naman ako. Ne. Thank you guys for watching. Thank you so much for 200k hearts, 31 viewers left with me tonight and for your time with me. Thank you guys for supporting me. Ulit. You guys know the drill, yes. Thank you so much for supporting me sa lahat. Literally everything. I couldn't ask for anything else from you guys as my supporters. Thank you, Johan. Thank you, Johan, for the roses. Thank you. Okay, you guys know the drill. Yes, 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 yes. Wait. Okay, 3, 2, 1. Good night. Naglalag siya. Oyasumi. Oyasumi nasai. Bye-bye. Good night, guys. See you tomorrow kung kakayanin pa ng energy natin. Okay? Most likely, yes. Magla-live bukas though. Bago ang Diabolical Live. Good night, guys. Bye-bye. See you tomorrow sa ASAP. Bye-bye. I'm on end.
Okay, there you go. Ready for the diba? GT20 Pro, this is what our GT20 Pro looks like. Okay, ito siya. Ayan, this is what it looks like right here. I believe, pakidouble check kung anong item number ito right there. I believe it's 7. Ayan, so hindi ko lang ito ma-play kasi hindi sila naka-update. Tapos hindi ako marunong mag-play kasi ng PUBG, ng Wild Rift, Call of Duty, or even the Mobile Legends, even the Genshin Impact. So, yan yung itsura niya. Ganda-ganda ng kanyang fluency, oh. Talagang ultimate gamer phone to, guys, ha. So, napakasulit talaga niya. Ayan, no? You can see even like goals, memory clean up, and then sobrang ganda rin ng kanyang camera, by the way. Ayan, no? Meron tayo dito si Host Marzen. Very, very smooth yung photo. You can also try yung ating video. Ayan, pakinggan natin yung mga videos dito.
Take a video.
Ooh.
This is my Infinix GT20.
So, meron siyang JBL component, okay? Ayan, no?
Phones.
Yan, no?
Ito ko sa inyo mamaya.
Ito yung isang audio port. Another one right here, okay?
8,200 ultimates.
Diba? So, smart na nagbigay ng But yeah, ito yung ating Infinix, okay? So this is what it looks like. Front cam. Okay? So you can definitely like choose a lot of ways to absolutely also try different kinds of looks dito. No? Super duper ganda. And then once again, try natin again si Block Blast. Definitely very, very fun to work with at the same time. So I do highly recommend no, na i-check niyo yung mga amazing deals natin here para patuloy pa rin yung mga, of course, yung mga discounts. And if meron kayong questions pa, again, just let us know. Comment lang kayo right there because nakapanghinayang if ever po hindi nyo maabutan yung mga yan. Right over here, actually, especially right here sa ating live stream. Because again, once na nag-end na yung live, those may not be available anymore. Okay? So, nakapanghinayang if ever po hindi kayo makaabot sa mga yan. So, yeah. Again, add to cart and check out right away if you haven't yet. Okay? That's what it looks like. Sobrang ganda. Sobrang galing gamitin. Right over here. Again, this one ay yung ating item number 29, si Poco C71. Dito lamang yan sa Globe Livestream. Of course, tuloy-tuloy lamang tayo dito and happy payday sale once again. Of course, I'm gonna be back later but don't worry, your next host will be the one to accommodate all of your questions and curiosities naman na. Once again, this has been your host, Ira. Thank you so much. And now let us welcome your next host, Host Marty. Bye guys, see you later.
Thank you very much, Host Ira. Hello. Yes, everybody. Yes, thank you very much. And yeah, hi. Happy Saturday, everybody. Host Ira, everyone who's here. Hello to all of you. Thank you so much for joining us. And guys, again, sa mga ka-globe natin, we are celebrating our payday sale, everyone. So this is gonna be happening November 29 to December 1. Allow me to introduce myself. Once again, my name is Marty at ako makasama niyo for the next 2 hours of our Globe Payday Sale here at Globe Telecom on TikTok, everybody. Wow! Virtual! Round of applause! Guys, we are giving you the opportunity to check out our different items right here at a very low discounted price. So let me just have a minute to connect myself. Okay, this will be a good 2 hours na magkakasama tayo dito sa Globe Telecom live stream natin. And guys, I'm surrounded by different phones right now. I mean, wow. We have phones from Infinix. We have phones from Redmi. We have phones from Realme. What else? Tecno, Poco, Xiaomi. Ang dami, everyone. And these are not just phones, These are the phones na talaga namang sought after ng Philippine market. And again, we are giving you great deals and discounts right now. Kaya po, sa lahat ng viewers natin,